Plant family, 740 Gnera in Orchidaceae. My fascination with Orchidaceae. Orchidaceae, the orchid family, has always held a special place in my heart. Its sheer diversity and intricate beauty never cease to amaze me. From delicate epiphytes clinging to tree branches to vibrant terrestrial orchids blooming on forest floors, this family showcases nature's artistry at its finest. A symphony of diversity. Orchids are renowned for their incredible diversity. With over 28,000 known species and countless hybrids, they represent one of the largest families of flowering plants on Earth. Each species boasts its unique characteristics, from the size and shape of its flowers to its preferred habitat and pollination strategy. Phalaenopsis. These orchids, also known as moth orchids, are popular houseplants due to their elegant, long-lasting blooms. 89 species in genus Phalaenopsis. Cattleya. These orchids are prized for their large, showy flowers, often used in corsages and floral arrangements. 236 species in genus Cattleya. Dendrobium. This diverse genus includes a wide range of orchids, from compact epiphytes to tall, cane-like plants. 21 species in genus Dendrobium. Oncidium. These orchids, often called dancing lady orchids, have distinctive flowers with a prominent lip that resembles a skirt. 367 species in genus Oncidium. Paphiopedilum. These orchids, also known as slipper orchids, have unique pouch-shaped flowers that trap pollinating insects. 144 species in genus Paphiopedilum. See full list at monsteraholic.com. An intricate beauty. Orchid flowers are a marvel of evolutionary design. Their intricate shapes and vibrant colors often serve to attract specific pollinators, ensuring successful reproduction. Some orchids mimic the appearance of female insects, luring males in for pollination. Others produce fragrant nectar or offer shelter to entice pollinators. The orchid's beauty extends beyond its flowers. Many species have stunning foliage, with variegated patterns or unique textures. Some orchids even develop pseudobulbs, specialized storage organs that help them survive periods of drought. A fragile ecosystem. Orchids are often sensitive to changes in their environment. Deforestation, habitat loss, and illegal collection pose significant threats to their survival. Many species are endangered or threatened, highlighting the need for conservation efforts. Cultivating orchids can be a rewarding but challenging endeavor. They require specific growing conditions, including proper light, humidity, and air circulation. Orchid enthusiasts often spend years honing their skills to successfully grow and propagate these delicate plants. A lifelong passion. My fascination with orchids continues to grow with each passing year. I'm constantly learning new things about their biology, ecology, and cultivation. Whether I'm exploring a tropical rainforest or tending to my own collection, orchids always bring me joy and wonder. I encourage everyone to appreciate the beauty and diversity of orchids. By supporting conservation efforts and responsible cultivation, we can ensure that these remarkable plants continue to thrive for generations to come.